This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, hello, all. Welcome to the next session on OData services. Yeah, so in the last class we have discussed about what exactly entity type, entity set, association, navigation property, dollar filter, skip, dollar top, dollar filter, and dollar expand, and also dollar count, and also what is metadata, what is service document, and all. And so if you want to do other than crude operations, let's take an example of I need to do in a special functionality. Let's example, suppose if you want to trigger in a workflow, or if you want to schedule in a background job from UI, or if you want to print your smart form in the background mode, so that you cannot do from the front end side. So where you need to write in a special function, that's in a function import. And so how can you do the function import and all, we are going to see now, guys. And before going to do that, I'm going to explain so some of the concepts, like some of the background. I would like to take some good example in the SAP. So for that reason I am going to take one special tables, guys. It's an education tables actually, so which will give all the, normally if it is in a material, so we use Mara table, right? But especially the education purpose, SAP has given some SNW underscore PD. This is the table for the products. Okay, if you see this table, it's only for education purpose, guys. It's not, this table is not used in the real time. So because it contains, they have prepared in a very good examples for the education, so they have used the tables SNWD underscore PD. It's only for the education purpose, okay, to learn how exactly it is. And here you can see there is a product ID. So here it's a GUID, guys. This is a GUID. So 16 digit GUID as a primary key. And also there is a product ID. Product ID is, here is the material ID, guys. And also you can see price of the product. See the price of the product. And also you can see width, height, and also you can see the URL also of the product as well. So where you can see the image or URL, where it is, picture URL. So the product picture, if it is in a computer, you see the pictures. So whenever you want to order in the Zomato or Swiggy, so if it is a special chicken biryani, you are going to see in a picture, right? So that is in a product actually. Special chicken biryani is the product, and the picture you are going to see, right? So if they want to show the pictures for that product, so how they are going to see, that kind of things you are going to see over here, guys. So this is the table for the product and product pictures. So if I execute this, you can see this is the products. These are all the HT 1000, 1000, 2003. These are all the products, guys. So and also the product picture also you can see over here. Maybe I will change to the graded display, so you can go and display. So you can see the picture of that product. Maybe you can see the raw data of the picture. See, guys, the picture is stored over here. SAP public BC NW demo model, guys. Okay, this is the path. I will show this path where exactly we can see this. Okay, then also you can see the price of the product also, guys. So maybe we can see the price of the product. And so where is the price, guys? Price, yeah, unit price. So maybe if I want to get most expensive product, what can I do here, guys? How do you get it? Most expensive product, how can you, I don't know what is the value. No, sort. Sort, which sort I need to do? Ascending, perfect. Sort in ascending order. So not ascending and descending, guys, not ascending. So ascending lower to higher, descending order higher to low. See, guys, this is the product which is most expensive product, 87,000. See, the product is AB triple line is the product, or AB. This also having both the products. So if I would like to find out which is the most expensive product, okay, from the external system, this is my special request, guys. How can you get it? So that's what I am going to show in the class as a function import. So now I am going to create an OData service for this. And first I will show that, then I will go with the image processing later. and maybe I will go here, and so SEGW, I'm going to create a new OData services for this two, and GEDG underscore OData underscore function import F5. Okay, function import, uh, and it's a function import, and save it in the EDG, and okay. And this is my data model. And first create a data entity type with the required fields from the structure. So my structure is my table. So what is my table? So it's my yeah, it's an a okay product. It's my product entity type, and my structure is the SNWD underscore PD. Okay, create the entity set as well automatically. And guys, so maybe I can select all the uh, things, and in this actually I don't want node key, guys. Maybe I can put the node key as well, and this is an a uh, this is required, all the things required here, and next. And here in this I am going to make the product ID. See, this is my product ID. So this is as a key field, guys. I'm going to make product as a key field, and finish it up. Okay, I find a and set, guys. Then what I am going to do is, so I am going to create one more things. So import create function import. See, there is an option function import. Do the function import, and maybe guest uh, hmm, get most expensive product. This is my function, guys. I would like to get most expensive product from the SAP, guys, and okay. And this is my most expensive product. This is my name, and return. So what is the return I need to use? So my return is entity type, and uh, my return is entity type, and I need to have 0 is to 1, so not 1, 1 is to 1, and enter. And return type, so what is the return type? So I am going to use as a product as an entity type, guys. This is my entity type as an return, guys. And maybe so action HTTP request, it's in a what kind of request it is. It's an a get request, and enter. And action for entity, and action for entity is product, and a label, and no problem. This is my this is my uh, function import. So I have defined a function import, and the return type as in a product is my entity type, and one is to one cardinality, and the type of operation which I am going to do is the get operation, guys. So this is my function import, and generate. See, it is going to create 6 objects, two model MPC class, two DPC class, and one service, and one model name, and okay. And save this in the EDG, and save it, and okay. So this is generated, guys. Okay. Now maybe I need to maintain this, and go to here, and register the service, and system alias is the local, and okay. And it is going to generate GEDG, and okay. So I'm going to register this product, and I'm going to parallelly maintain this product, guys. So this is my maintain is maintained, and go to the SAP gateway client to test this, and go to the SAP gateway client, and see, guys, this is my gateway service, and maybe I'm going to get, so get entity set, and product entity set, guys. Okay, so this is the product entity set which I am going to no, I need to call with a different function import. It's not a product set. How can I call function import? Maybe what I will see is I will see the dollar metadata, guys. So uh, dollar metadata. So this is the thing which I need to use. See, guys, it's in a product ID, and there is all the properties. You can see it provides all the metadata, and also you can see there is a function import as well. So you can see there is a function import. So the observe, guys, there is a function import. There is the function import. So maybe what I will do this, I will call this is in the browser. So where from where I can call this is browser, and gateway client, and not the gateway client. I need to go to the maintain, and I can call this is in browser, guys. So call this in browser. Hello, and STANA 19, and the password, and sign in. So maybe here I am going to take this out, and maybe I will apply a dollar metadata. Okay, and enter. Now you can see, guys, this is my OData, and all the properties you can see. And very important, guys, this is container. There is an a you can see, guys. So function import, guys, you can see the name, get most expensive product, guys. So this is my function import. This I need to use it. So instead of entity set, I need to use this, guys. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to put over here, guys. So I'm going to put over here. This is my function import name, and execute. And guys, I think so, guys, what happened whenever you call in a function import? So what it is saying, method execution not execute action not yet implemented in the provider class, guys. This is the question. So whenever you call the function import, which method will be executed? So the method is the execute underscore action, guys. That's the one of the interview question. Okay, this is the function import, and whenever we have to call function import, we have to see the metadata of the service by using slash dollar metadata. So maybe I can give the link, how exactly we can see the, where is that here, where is my link? It's in the Chrome, right? Yeah, so it's the Chrome. So this is my uh, first I will go to the control here, control C. So maybe I will keep here, and next one is the metadata. First you need to see the metadata. If you want to see the metadata, dollar metadata, enter, and you see the dollar metadata. So control A and control C. Why? Because I'm giving, you are going to confuse a lot of times with the URLs. That's why I'm giving these URLs. This is my dollar metadata, and take the function import name, and use below URL to get function import, to call function, to get function import. So this is the URL, guys. So this is my URL. So whenever we call function import, SAP will call the method. What is the method? Execute underscore action. So this method we have to implement in DPC extension class. That's it, guys. So that's a function import. Simple, very, very simple. And I go here, and I go back, and I go to the runtime artifacts, and runtime artifacts, and you can see here So DPC everything is the extension. So extension class we are going to do it, guys. So here you can see there is a method execute action. See guys, so where is the execute action? There is an execute action. Yeah, so this is the method runtime execute action. So place the cursor and change the thing and place the cursor and redefine the method. So I have redefined this method, and delete the code, and you can see. So here there is an action name. So the function import names comes in the action name, guys. So maybe I will implement and case. Maybe if you have multiple function imports, so we will be having different functionalities, right? So here I am going to get a most expensive product. So my action name equal to the when this is equal to, so what is the value, my function import value? So maybe, so you can go down and you can see the function import. This is my value which is coming up from the external system, that will come under in the action name, guys. They may ask, so what you do in the function import? So you need to take the function import name in the parameter, importing parameter of the method iv underscore action name, and if that is equal to the get this and maybe end case. And guys, but where is the value, what the value which is coming up? So the value which is coming up is, so I need to give the, what I need to give, I need to give that here. So I'm going to take the value, uh, get, what is that, get, uh, get most expensive report. Maybe I will put my value, product value ht hyphen 1000, guys. Ah, no, 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 I need to return back, I should not give anything. And question mark, uh, dollar format equal to the JSON. So no, I should not input anything. If I input the product, what is the meaning of that? I need to find out the product in the background. I need to pass that product. This is the product which is having most expensive product. See, so maybe method execute action is not yet implemented. So why? Because I'm writing the code, guys. See, I'm going to write the select query, guys. So first I need to find out most expensive product, guys. So I am going to write select single star from SNWD. Okay, select star from SNWD underscore PD, where where uh, where my product equal to the, okay. So what I can do, guys, product control space. So product ID equal to the, okay. Uh, no, no, no. First I need to find out. Okay, select single uh, product underscore id from, no, 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 select maximum value of the price field, guys. What is the price field here? So what is the price field here? So maximum value, first I need to calculate the maximum value of the price. So this is my price field, guys. So this is my price field. Maybe if you want to get technical name, you have any details, and where is the details tab? No. So technical name, if you want to get technical name, guys, you can get user parameters. Instead of field name, show the field name, guys. Field label, I don't want to show the field label, I need to see the field names. So here I can see the field names, and go here, you can see the uh, price, guys. So select maximum price, select maximum price from SNWD underscore PD. Okay, from PD. Okay, this I am going to keep in a subquery, guys. I am going to write in a one subquery, select subquery, nested select. I am going to write it. Now I will write select single star from snwd pd into at the rate maybe ls underscore product. Okay, where price equal to the maximum price, guys. See, so this is the query I am going to do it, guys. This we will call it's a query inside the query, guys. So nested queries, this queries we are going to call it's a nested query. This is also one kind of select statement. First I will read what is the maximum price. So first I will read in this table. First read the maximum price. So I will read maximum price 87,000. Again send the 87,000. Get me a single record from the same table. So get me in a single record from the same table, guys. So now the value will available in the ls underscore product, guys. Save and pretty printer and do the syntax. This is also one way of writing ls underscore product is on at the rate. Okay, data. So this is the thing which you need to write it. And so yeah, that's it. No syntax errors found, guys. Okay. So if size sub rc equal to 0, if size hyphen sub rc equal to 0, and if, and now ready printer. And guys, so this product I need to send it to the output, guys. If you want to send it to the output, which parameter I need to use, which parameter I need to use, which parameter? er data, guys, exporting parameter. So guys, this is a reference to data. So what is the meaning of reference to data? What is the meaning of reference to data? I have explained in the object orientation field symbol concept. It's a dynamic thing, guys. So if you want to create a dynamic references, so in the OData there is a method, guys, inbuilt method we have. So the inbuilt method is the copy data to reference, guys. Very very important method. So this method you need to use. So I have an ABAP structure. Automatically it will convert into the dynamic way, guys. ls underscore product, very important method. This we are going to use. And er data, control c and control v, guys. That's it. It will return the data back to your data service call, guys. Pretty printer and do the syntax check and activate your method. I'm going to activate this method and I have implemented this method and I am going to keep an okay external breakpoint. Now I am going to call this from the now this is the uh, exception. It's a technical exception which raised by the SAP execute action. But now I have implemented the execute action method, guys, and enter and execute. Now, guys, it's triggering the breakpoint. You see, it's triggering the breakpoint, guys. My OData services. See action name. So IV underscore action name. You can see get most expensive product. Same thing. Get expensive. The function import name. It's not a entity type. It's in a function import, guys. I didn't use the entity set. I use the function import and F5 and F5 and F5. Guys, see the ls underscore product. You see the product is the AB9999, guys. So exactly you can see 87 first record it will return. So the first record you can see AB999. This is the most expensive product, guys, and that's it. That's it. So here you can see the most expensive product. And if size sub rc equal to 0, copy the data reference and execute. You see the product in the external system. It's an AB999. This is my details. And guys, this product picture is available here. Even sometimes I need to read this picture as well. It's an image actually, but it is saved in this path, guys. So this path we are going to call it's a MIME repository, guys. So if you want to save the files in the SAP, we use the MIME repository. We use the MIME repository, guys. So actually if you want to update the logos, where you are doing, guys, huh? That's for the report. That's for the report. Normally when you want to smart forms or yeah, normally when you want to upload the logos, maybe you don't know, so tell guys the smart forms people, already you know the smart forms. If you want to upload the logos in smart forms, where you will load it? Graphic, graphic only, but you should remember the transaction SC78 guys. SC78 is the transaction code where you are going to load the images. So whenever you load the image, it will stored in the MIME repository guys. So where do you find this MIME repository? Actually this is the MIME repository for this product. So you see the path, you see the path, this is in the MIME repository. So whenever maybe this is done, I'm talking about next concept, file concept with the MIME repository. Maybe I will go to the delete the slide set. Delete. Where is it? So I am going to the image or file processing. So whenever we save the images or files in SAP, it is going to very important guys. I am explaining a lot of very good things. Okay, you will not get anywhere this kind of information. It is going to store the images or files in MIME repository. MIME repository guys. So MIME files. It will store in the MIME repository. Very important. So we can see the MIME repository in whatever you want to see. So which is the transaction where you can see a single transaction? You can see anything in SAP. What is the transaction? SC80, perfect. Even MIME repository also you can see in the SC80 transaction guys. That's the SC80 power, and I am going to show this a same picture in the SC80 guys. Now I am going to show this same in the SC80. Go to the SC80 and you can see guys, there is a MIME repository. Yeah, MIME repository. Okay, so sometimes you may not get this guys. If you don't get this, go to the utilities and settings, and you can select whatever you want, select all, and okay, you are going to get it. Sometimes you may not see these many options in your SCIT, so you may check, yeah, I don't have an MIME repository. So you have the MIME repository, you have to come to utilities and settings, you can select the MIME repository. So whatever the repository, you see WebDynpro repository, ESP repository, test repository, ABAP unit and repository browser, MIME repository. See, this is my repository. Now you see the path. So SAP, see SAP and pub BC, public, sorry, public, next BC, next NW demo model. See, this is in a demo model, guys. NetWeaver demo model. So NW demo model, expand, and next one is images. Go to the images. See, these are all the images which we have, and the AB triple nine. See guys, AB triple nine. Yes guys. So this is the product. This is the product information in SAP guys. So SAP Fury security, advanced Fury training. Okay, this is the product information which you need to see it guys. So go to the SC8. It's a marketing strategy. Okay. So now you can go to the repository, MIME repository, and you can find the images. Maybe so if I want to import the images, even I can found the images in EPM, BPC, and package. The other things also we can see, and maybe I will go to the another product. Maybe if I can go to the another product, you can see the product, all the products HT1062. HT1062. You can see that public BC, and maybe I will use where is the demo? I think we can go to ABAP guys. Actually, we have then a ABAP product, right? Actually, why our graphic images also will be stored somewhere. So whenever we store in the SE8R, OAER also it will store over here only, guys. ABAP, MIME demo, and maybe okay, we can see all the images over here, guys. And maybe I can go here. And what is the previous one which we have selected, guys? Huh? This here. Yeah, come down at your demo model images, and you can see all the images. Yes. Maybe I can use so one other product HT 999, and you can see, guys, this is my product. Okay, this is my mobile, is my smartphone or Mac, tab, I think. Yeah, tab is my product. So what is the product here? uh, this is the product. This is, yeah, something. So what is the product here we have selected? I think this is the product. Hmm? Yeah, so this is my product, guys. Okay, so HT 49s. So maybe I will come here and I will go with the come back, and product ID is the HT hyphen 49s and execute. So we will read this product into by using OData service, guys. We will read this product by using OData service. How you can read this product by using OData service? So maybe the same thing, the same OData service, and I go back, and there are two methods, guys. Whenever if you want to update, or when you want to update the image, or when you want to get the image from the SAP, and we have two methods. Okay, to read files or images from SAP, to read the files from SAP, to read or get files or images from SAP, we use get stream method. Get stream method, and to post or create files in SAP, we use create underscore. It's all methods and importing parameters and exporting parameters. That's why, so object orientation is very, very important. So total our course will uh, derive with the object orientation only, guys. So if you know the object orientation, you can do a lot of things. So if you don't know these things, are you going to do all these things? No, guys, you cannot do anything. So it's a create stream functionality, guys. You can see the create stream, and that's it. And I'm going to do a read operation and go and see the method. So there is a method get stream, guys. You can see there is a get stream method. See, guys, this is a get stream method. So if you want to read the file, you need to use a get stream method and redefine it. And this is my code in the get stream, guys. So maybe I will just activate this code, blank code. And before you uh, if you want to do this, actually we have to perform so something, guys. When you want to read this before implementing this method, so to read the file from SAP, we have to implement define method in MPC extension class first, and then later we have to implement DPC extension and method get underscore stream. First you need to define the extension class first, guys. So there are two things. you need to do in the MPC extension class. Go to the MPC extension. Go to the MPC extension, and here you can see the MPC extension. And go to the MPC extension, and here you can see the method define method, guys. This you need to redefine it. So you need to redefine this method. See, you need to redefine method. And if you want to redefine method, guys, so define method you need to redefine it. So in MPC extension class, redefine method define. So you need to redefine the method define, guys. So and also, so you need to call the super class. Super class. So what is the super class for this, guys? Can anybody know what is the super class? Perfect. Base class is the super class for the extension class. And do any define. There is a method define. See, this is the define. This first you need to call this. Then what you need to do is you need to do this operation, guys. And so first you need to get model and model you need to take get entity. First get entity type. First get the entity type. So this is my entity type. And also um, get entity type. So we have an a what is the entity type we have? So what entity type we created for this? So we created an entity type of SEGW. I think we created product only. Entity type is the product. So my product entity type. So go here, and I didn't remember. So the entity type which I have created is F5. So this is my function import, and you can see the data model, and you can see the entity type. See, this is my product case, PRODUCT. So I am going to use PRODUCT, and this is my product case. And then next method is I need to call property. So get the property. So get underscore property. So there is a get property. So first I take the property, and so what the property is. So where is the URL? And maybe it's a table field, but in the OData service, what is the field, guys? So in the OData, the field is different because it will create with a different field name, guys. So product, see, product pick URL, guys. This is the product pick URL. This I need to take as a source. So first you need to take in a source, guys. So this is my source. This field is my source. So I will come back here. Mm, yeah, I will delete. Go to and this is my product URL. And this product, this field I need to set as I need to set as a content, guys. This is my content. Why? Because so set as a content source. So I am going to get the file from this source, guys. This property I am going to get a file. So this is my source. Get property product URL and set underscore control space. Set this as a content source. Set this as a content source. Do the control space enter. So that's it. So I am going to set this as a content source. Next one is I need to set a same thing, and I need to set what is the content type. So content type is this is a MIME repository. So I need to set as a MIME repository type, guys. So what is the MIME repository type? Get property, and there is a content type for the MIME repository. If you go to the table, um, where is the field? product pitch URL, HM MIME type, guys. There is a MIME type for the HM. I need to do you see any MIME type here? Category, hmm, type, unit. So here, do you see in the database table level MIME type? So there is no MIME type, guys. I think what is the MIME type? So tablet. This is a tablet product, and there is a MIME type, currency code, product pick URL, and there should be a MIME type, dummy field PD. Uh, I think I need to add one field as a MIME type. Okay. So maybe I will extend this. I will extend this OData service. Uh, okay. Where it is locked. Yeah, here it is locked. So uh, maybe I will set this property, get property, uh, and MIME type, guys. So this property I'm going to set. Maybe I will declare here MIME property. Maybe it's my HM MIME. So this is my one of the property, guys, HM MIME, and this I'm going to set as a content type. Set as content type. That's it. Control space and enter. Okay. So we are going to see these two things. So we need to set this in the exceptions, guys. So do this, and this is my get property and set as in a content type, and I need to declare this, guys. So hm mime as in a mime type I need to declare in my OData service, and go back and go to the entity types and product type and properties, and here I am going to declare the MIME type as an HM MIME. Okay, here I am going to declare uh, append. Okay, it's an HM MIME, and it's an EDM string. It's an EDM string, and you can assign some characters, guys. It's an 255 characters. That's it, and save and and regenerate the OData service. ABAP field name is not part of the ABAP structure. SNWD. So why it's coming? Okay, so I assigned with the structure ABAP structure. So hmm, yeah, that's okay, but it's not asking. Maybe I need to delete out. I need to declare, it seems here, and maybe I can take it out. We'll see that later, and do the. That's it, guys. That's it. And maybe now I need to go to the get stream method, guys. So go to the get stream method now, and DPC extension class, and DPC extension, and filter, and you see there are two methods. Maybe I will go to the get stream method, and I'm going to write the logic over here, guys. And the logic, you can see the entity name and entity set name, guys. And maybe my whenever I need to call this is whenever my entity set is called. Okay, my whenever my entity set, okay, entity name or entity set name, control C. If this is equal to, okay, it's a product. Okay, if it is product, I think it's an entity set is the product set, right? Maybe, guys, it should be in entity name, guys, not entity set name. Why? Because I call this with the this thing product. Whenever I read the product, I should get an image, right? So go to here and entity name, not the entity set name. if this value entity set name, entity name equal to the product, and do this functionality and if, and go here. Then what I need to do, first I need to read the table. Where is the value you are going to get it? You are going to get the value key tab. So I will get the value in the key tab and into, and at the rate, sorry, into data at the rate we used only in the select ls underscore key, and with the key, with the key, and name is the field name equal to the, okay, what is the field name here? Product. So this is my product id, guys. Control c and control v. This is my key which I am going to send it from the external system. So this is my external system. I am going to send as an id, and if psi hyphen sub rc sub rc equal to the 0 and end if, and I'm going to take the value and I'm going to get this, okay, select single star from snwd underscore pd into at the rate at the rate data ls underscore pd product, and where my product id equal to the, what is, where is the product id will be available in ls underscore key hyphen value. So this is my product id which is available in the value parameter. I will take that product id, and so pretty printer, see this is my product id, guys. And when the value available, if psi hyphen sub rc equal to 0 and if, so here what I am going to do is I am going to call the MIME repository, guys. So I am going to call in a MIME repository. If you want to call in a MIME repository, there is in a class. So the class is, and I forgot the class. So this is the class which you need to call it, guys. CL MIME repository and get API. So I am going to call this method CL. So first I need to write call method CL underscore uh, CL underscore my underscore repository. So I will do the control space, guys, repository API, and there is a static method. So the static method is get API, guys. So get API and do the control space enter. You can see get API method, guys. So this is my get API, and also I need to use get one more method also, guys. Get API, and sorry, I will delete this. So I am calling method inside another method get API, and one more method is the get. So do the control space. So why it's not coming? Get API. Okay, okay, I need to use like this. So like this, and I can see there is one more method get API. So you need to have in a space, sorry. So do this, and you can see one more method, guys. This is the method which you need to call it. So total object orientation, guys. So see, guys, I underscore URL. So you need to pass the URL from this. So there is a URL you are going to get it MIME URL, that you MIME URL you need to pass over here, guys. So maybe I will see this get method, and I underscore URL is what kind of type it is. I need to see it, guys. I underscore URL type object URL. Maybe it will take automatically. C sequence type C sequence. Maybe I will declare that. I am not sure whether it will take it or not. And data, maybe LV underscore URL type C sequence. C sequence. So it's not a type of that. Maybe C sequence. So we'll see, guys. C sequence. Sequence C. Okay. So this is the one thing. And another thing is maybe I declared that. So we'll try one by one. So LV underscore URL, which is equal to the my ls underscore pd hyphen. So product URL, guys. So product pick URL. This is my image which I am getting it, guys. Maybe that I am going to pass over here lv underscore URL. So right. And also one more thing is I need to use the in the importing I am going to get the content and also the MIME type, guys. This is my MIME type. What is the MIME type which I am going to get it? So what is MIME type? Uh, so object content. Object content. What is the see? Even I need to declare the object content. What is this parameter? I am going to get an object content. So go to here. Sorry, get method. So we'll go to the class, guys. So I will open one more session. SC24 and CL underscore MIME. Very important. This MIME underscore repository API. So this is the class and display. The next method is the get API. So where is the get API? Huh? Maybe this is the method. I think yeah, this is the get API. In the get API method, you have one more method. Uh, I prefix C sequence reference to I think this is the one. Yeah, get API, get method, and get parameters. You can see content. This is content is type of X string, guys. X string. MIME type is the C sequence. Okay. So X string, I need to take it. So take this X string, and so the next one is LV underscore MIME type, MIME type C sequence and ls underscore content type X. See, I told right the binary format, the data type X string. This is the images we use the X string in the data type concept. We have learned this concept. Now exactly we are using the for the images we are going to use the X string concept, guys. So lv underscore URL and I will get an lv content into the ls content ls underscore content and also MIME type. And what is the MIME type? LV underscore MIME type, guys. LV underscore MIME type. So LV underscore MIME type. It's a MIME type. So ls underscore content. That's it. And save and pretty printer and do the syntax check, guys. So ls underscore key value is unknown. ls underscore key. Yeah, value is wrong. Where is the see here the value spelling is wrong, guys. So see, and next is uh, new syntax is used. So oh Okay, I think so. What I see sequence generator use this type only for typing field symbols and formal parameters. So what type I need to use it here? Normally, what I will do, I will try to comment this. Oh, sorry. Uh, so comment this, and maybe directly I use this Control C. I don't know what will happen. Control V. So do this, and in MIME type, I'm not sure. Maybe MIME type also I use. Do I use field symbol things? Okay, I'll use string. We'll use the string here. Okay. Mm, So do the syntax check. So no syntax errors found. Pretty printer. I don't know. I think I will get the dumps when I call it. So I'm not sure, guys. So what I am going to do is I'm going to get the binary format into the ls content. So this binary data I need to send to the. So what parameter I need to send it, guys? Er underscore stream. It's an exporting parameter for the stream. So same method. Call me and copy. Sorry, me uh, copy. This is the method which I am going to use to send the data. I'm going to convert this my ls underscore content into our cr data is er underscore stream. So er underscore sorry uh, er underscore stream. That's it. Stream, guys. That's it. So you are sending this stream data into your format, guys, and execute execute your method. And I will put on a breakpoint, guys. I'll put on a breakpoint, external breakpoint, and now we are going to call, but I need to call with the entity set, guys. I'm going to call the product entity set this call and go here, and now you can see the entity set is uh, product set, and use this, and my key value is ht hyphen 9999 this, and this is my I'm calling the product with a single read, and finally you need to use slash, so dollar valu you, guys, when you want to get the files you need to use get stream method. Dollar value is the extension, dollar value for reading the files from the SAP, guys, and enter. I put on a breakpoint, right, and enter, and URI is not a well. The segment slash value must be media link entry. Oh, guys, so you need to enable this field as a media type field, guys. That's a mandatory condition. So I will go to the OData service now. So always, guys, you have to enable this field as a media field. Otherwise, it doesn't work. Your OData service doesn't work. That's one more thing. And enable key field as a media type field in the entity types. So you need to enable that in the entity type. Go to the property and go to the product code and enable this as is it any media is there? Where is that? Create update sort nullable, and where is the media type field, guys? Okay. Key create update sort null filterable Somewhere I see media type field. I think entity set, maybe go to the entity set. See, in the entity set level, I think create, update, and here also it's not there. Somewhere I can see the media type, guys. Media type field. Hmm. Maybe here in the product level. Yes, guys. See, in the entity type level. So the enable entity type, enable entity type as media type, media type entity. This kind of things can be an entry questions, guys. So I am going to enable this as a media type and generate. Again, you need to regenerate, guys. I am regenerating this. So I have runtime object is regenerated. Again, I will call the OData service. So enter, and URI is not valid. Segment before value must be media link entry. Huh? We'll try. External name HM underscore MIME not found for entity product. Okay. We have deleted from the entity type, guys. So we'll try to maintain that. So I think there is a properties, and I need to insert. Can I is insert? So it should be, I can insert my own fields here than this ABAP fields. Without the structure also, I can use this. Maybe what I will do, I will extend that structure, guys. That I can do it, no problem. So I will do based on my requirement, no problem. And SNWD display, and I'm going to do an append structure that field. We should not G append structure and custom. Yes, we can do it, but I don't suggest to do it. HM MIME and type and of CHAR 255. That's it, and activate. I'm adding my own field. I don't want to do all the required things. Just add. Come back. It's an HM MIME, guys. Maybe I will add this in the now. I can add. Okay. HM MIME, and it's an EDM string, and it's an 255. Enter. Yes. Again regenerate, and action not possible. Why? Above field. What is that? HM MIME. not part of is it HM MIME? Maybe we have to refresh, guys. Okay, come back. So sometimes this will not work, and come back, come back, come back. Okay, SEGW and OData FI, data model and entry types, product properties, and change. See, this is my HM MIME, and guys, now I think do the syntax check, and now it is working, guys. So that's the refresh thing. Regenerate the service. I'm regenerating the service, and again come here and execute. Now uh, it's going to the get entity, guys. It's going to the get entity. I think I need to now I will delete the question mark, guys. Since it is in a question mark, it's going to the get entity. So when I put this slash dollar value, maybe it should go to the get stream method. So that's the problem I expect, and enter. And I think it's triggering my service. I think it's triggering my service. Yeah, control C, and yes, guys. So below is the URI to call get stream method. Very important, this kind of things. Okay, slash dollar. We will not get after some time we may forget this kind of things. So that's why everything I am documenting. So this is a thing, and entity name, you can see the product when it is in a product, and read the value, key value, and read the these values, and you can see the values, guys. And I can see the product value, and this is my HT triple line is my product value. And so maybe I'm not sure this will go for dump. I think it goes for the dump. And F6, oh no, guys, very good. So we are success, guys, and that's it. And LT content, now you can see, guys. So the binary data, you can see the X string encrypted data in the binary format. This is an X string format, guys. This is an X string 0 1s with the binary encrypted data. So this is a data type. So X string is a data type, and F6, and you can see the data, and which is going as a stream. And what is the MIME type we are getting, guys? MIME type. So image JPEG, guys. This is a MIME type which we are getting, and execute, and you can see the abnormal terminated if runtime error is not initial launch transaction at ST22 for the detailed analysis. It's giving dump, guys. So ST22, what is the dump today? And so when I do that, it's going for the assign type conflict. See, there is a type conflict which is coming up, guys. And other analysis, either adapt the single the untyped field symbol to use casting addition, something it's going. No, error analysis. An attempt was made to assign a field to any type field symbol, but the field doesn't have any required type. So we do not have any required type, guys. So the type is different. So what kind of type, I don't know. So error analysis. Okay, maybe I will get it in the Google, guys. Okay, and maybe I can go with the Google. We can get it, guys. Hmm. Type conflict when I call What is the method, guys? We have used the MIME, it seems. Get update stream, get stream, uh, ls stream, ls stream is type. Where is the what is the type of ls stream, guys? Yeah, see, this is the thing which I need to declare. TFY underscore S underscore media source, guys. So very, very important, this kind of things. New slide and control. We'll write the code behind this. Maybe I am also change. I'm going to change this type and ls underscore content. It's a media source. Control V. TY underscore S underscore media source. Content, yeah, it's ls underscore content should work, guys. It should work. Activate and this edit. What's the problem? It's not compatible, guys. ls underscore content. ty media underscore source x string. Can I connect x string value into media source? What is the media source? What kind of it is? It's in a structure. At ty underscore s underscore media source, and it's on a type. Nothing is there. ls underscore stream. Yeah, see, value MIME type is setting, and value I need to send that value. Okay, that is X string. Maybe that value. Okay, I got it, guys. So maybe the previously what I did is correct only. So what you need to do is take this ls underscore content and ls underscore stream. So I will do like this: ls underscore stream, which is a type of this, and this is a type of X string. Did you get it? This is a type of X string. This is a type of ls underscore stream. So I will take this ls underscore content, and so here I will write the logic is ls underscore stream if of value. This value equal to the ls underscore content and ls underscore stream if of MIME type, which is an a equal to this MIME type. This MIME type. Control C and Control V, guys. That's it. So I am going to pass here the ls underscore string. That's it. Pretty printer, and do the syntax check and activate. Okay, that's it, guys. And put the breakpoint now again. I think is the breakpoint is there. Again, figure the service. Again, figure the service and enter. And F5, 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 it's all working, guys. This is all working. Sorry, F7 and F6, and it's working. Yes, 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 and F6 and I think it's working, and F8. And guys, see, the image is downloaded. Now you can see the tablet image from the SAP system, guys. Wonderful class. So before, in the previous training, I didn't explain these two things: function import and imaging concept. So in this, today I have learned this concept, I have explored this concept, and I have done this for you guys. Okay, this is in a file format, and how to upload the file, even that also I need to try. So we'll see in that, maybe in the project point of view, we'll see that kind of things, guys. How to upload the file, same image I need to upload into the SAP. So how, just it's reading the file from the SAP, how to upload this file, how to upload file into SAP. That also the create stream we'll see in the tomorrow's class or some after some time. Please remember this, and I need to write a lot of things here, guys. So maybe I will provide a code that will give all the things. That's it. No need to do much. So the stream method and function import method I need to. This is my stream method code. This is my stream method code. Because in PPT we have very less space, so that's why I'm doing maybe. Yeah, that's it. Very important code, guys, because we will not get this kind of things. Okay, we may get one single, but you will not get total code, guys. So this is my function, sorry, file handling, and maybe function import also we have. Where is the function import? Yeah, function import. Okay, insert new slide and go to the here and come back. Very interesting. And function import, save, and go to the execute action method in the function import. Control C, insert, and control V. That's it. So that's it, guys. OData service is done, and from Monday we are going to start ABAP on HANA, guys. ABAP on HANA we are going to start from the Monday. So I will give the project on this if you are interested. So the same project we are going to do something. First you need to do some simple things, guys. Later you need to work on the project. So if you don't practice this first fundamentals, then how can you work on the project? First you need to practice the fundamentals, then only you can work on the project. Otherwise it's not at all possible. So that's it on the OData side. And almost this time we did 40 slides on the OData guides. So last class only 6 slides. So this time 40 slides, six slides to the 40 slides. This time for your batch, guys. So that's I have explored based on the interview questions. Every interview questions I have handled in this course, guys. Okay. So I think how many classes OData? 8, 9 classes, around uh, 15 hours of the class in the OData services. So please practice this and expedite on the OData services, guys. Okay, that's it on the OData service. Thank you. See you all. Bye bye. And see you on